Slate-run Living Historical Farm is an 1880s working farm. Costume staff and volunteers do daily and seasonal work using methods from the late 19th century. Threshing is the process of separating small grains such as wheat, oats, rye, barley, and buckwheat from the rest of the plant. Modern farmers harvest these grains all in one step, cutting the stalk and separating the grain as they drive through the fields in a combine. Our threshing machine, or separator, is stationary, and while steam engines were available in the 1880s, we use a two-horse sweep to provide the power. The horses walk in a circle, turning a set of gears that transmits their power to a tumble rod. Each time the horses make one lap, the tumble rod turns 29 times. The tumble rod is connected to a speeding jack, which multiplies the revolutions 5 times. The speeding jack transmits this power to the threshing machine using a wide, heavy belt. The stalks of grain were brought in from the field in small bundles or sheaves and piled next to the threshing machine. When all the sheaves had been brought in, the threshing process could start. Each sheaf is fed into the machine and the seeds are beaten free from the stalk and seed covering or chaff by a rotating cylinder with stout teeth. As the material moves through the machine, the large pieces are separated from the smaller ones by the first set of screens. The straw and other large pieces are carried away on a conveyor, and the small grains and chaff drop down to a second set of screens where a fan blows air across them. The light chaff is blown out of the machine, and the grains continue to drop down where they come out a side chute. These clean grains can be ground into flour, sold for profit, used as animal feed, or planted to produce another crop.